Hey guys, we're on the road and I wanted to give you a little daily dose of encouragement. What should I say?
Encourage them.
He says I need to encourage you. Say hey, Ron.
Hey guys, what's up?
There's Ron. I want to give you a little daily dose of encouragement. We just went through a toll, and as we got through the toll, we thought, gosh, why didn't we pay for the people behind us? We've done that before, and it's so much fun to do something like that unexpected for people. So we missed our opportunity on a toll, but today you may be able to do something like that yourself. So think about doing that.
A random act of kindness.
Right, a random act of kindness. I've talked about this before. So if you think of something that you can do for somebody that don't even have a clue who you are, or you've done it for them. Look, even in a restaurant, if you see a military person, or if you see a family of military, or police, or fire, or whatever, just go ahead and pay for their meal. It makes you feel so much better. It makes you feel good about yourself, right, Ron?
I love to do that, yes.
Yes, he loves to do that. I do, and we do. We really love doing that. So if you have the opportunity, you do it. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. I hope it's full of sunshine and beautiful memories. Don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And be kind. Be kinder than they are. I love you. Until tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Say it again.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.